welcome back to our channel. Today we're making unicorn slime and mermaid slime.
Okay.
Squiggles on the head. Today this video is opening the box.
What box is that?
Unicorn slime and mermaid slime.
Can you open it slowly for me?
Wow.
What's that, Kyra?
Unicorn box.
Unicorn phone?
Unicorn phone.
Okay, what else? What else is inside the box?
Bees.
What's that? Unicorn slime set. Can you show me? Can you show me?
Rainbow.
Rainbow phone.
Rainbow phone.
Wow, nice. What else? Oh, that's a canister for the slime. What else is inside the box? Can you show me? Galaxy slime.
Galaxy slime.
What else is inside the box?
Mermaid slime.
Wow, like you. You're a mermaid, right?
Yeah.
Can you stand up for me and show me? Kuya, can you help her? Can you stand for me?
I can stand my own book to this.
Wow, you're a mermaid and you have a mermaid slime. Okay, what slime do you want to make today?
The mermaid slime.
The mermaid slime. Alright, we're gonna make the mermaid slime.
What's this?
Okay, wait a minute, Kuya. Do you have a scissor? Can you open the mermaid slime kit? Kyra, what should you say to the kids about scissors?
Kids, don't touch this because it will cut your finger.
Are you excited, Kyra?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you want to start making your slime?
Yahoo!
Okay, let's do it. Kyra, you need to put the clear glue on the canister.
Okay.
Everything. Help her, Kuya. Put everything inside. Squeeze it. Okay. Squeeze it hard. Good job.
What is with that?
Okay, squeeze it hard. Next, you will put slime coloring. Can you help her, Kuya? Kuya will open it for you. Slow down. Be careful. Okay, Kyra, just put a few drops. Oops. Okay, more. Stop! Too much. Okay, now stir it. Wow.
Boy, you have some more.
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 Okay, Kuya, that's enough. Add the activator. Few drops only, okay? Don't put everything. Kuya, open it for her. Oh, 3 drops only. Okay, mix it all together.
I see it's already growing.
Okay, mix it all
It's
up.
still growing.
It's growing?
Yes.
I think it's getting stickier.
Yes, it's getting stickier. It's already growing.
What a pretty color. More. I think we need more activator. Okay, mix it all together. Okay. Now, Kuya, can you open the glitter? And put the glitter on the slime.
Can you do it too?
Okay, give it to Kyra and Kyra will put the glitter.
There's another.
Here, put it here. Ooh, too much glitters. Okay, done. Let's mix it all up. Wow. Oh, so pretty.
So glittery.
So glittery.
So we're gonna touch it.
Later, we're gonna touch it.
It's growing. So this is like canvas slime.
Okay, mix it. When you mix glue, activator, and glitter, you make a mermaid slime. You want to put the pearls? Okay, put the pearls. Woo! And mix it. Slime already. It's so slimy. You like it?
Yeah.
Later we'll put it on the table.
So cute.
Slime?
Ta-da!
Wow! Don't eat it. It's just a toy. Okay, we need to knead it down like that. And put all the foam inside. You can wash your hands after we play. Remember to wash your hands. Okay, push it. Slimy.
Don't pull it, Mommy. Don't pull it.
Oh no, it's so long.
Oh, no, so long. Put it inside here.
Okay, now this is
Going inside.
your mermaid slime.
This is my mermaid slime.
Oh, so gooey.
Ooh, so gooey. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.